Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make and the McNeilus ZR candy cane, which is this thing right here. So you see this is Zachary's trick right here. About this thing here, the candy cane that picks up the trash cans, and I'm also gonna put the trash cans to lift it up. Here's one yellow lid, and I'm doing it to pick it up right there. Bring it all the way up. Let's get started. Alright, so what you have to do is get this piece of cardboard. You need scissors here. You need to move my camera back more. You need to make this thing straight, so just cut it here. Just like this, and if it's a little bit too big, you could cut it a little bit more. Here. And then you get the truck. I'm using 10/74/20. Then what you do is you have to measure it right here, and then you have to measure it right here, and then cut it right here. So you're right there. Here I just cut it, and I'm cutting a smaller, a little bit more. There we go. Now I'm gonna glue this part here. So just get a hot glue. Be careful not to burn yourself. Use it right there, and then glue right there, and then wait for it to dry. Be back when it's dry. Alright, now it's dry. So here, and then now it could go in here. Sure, it's like right there. And if you can, if it's a little bit too big in the bottom, you could cut it a little more. There. And now to work on the yellow parts. So what you need to do is get this part here, measure it right here, and then get the pen and write a little line there, and then you cut it right here, the right where I just put the line. You cut it there. There you go. Make sure it's right, and it is right. And then what you need to do is color it yellow here. Now I got here, and then what you need to do is before you put it in, you should write the lines there. Right here, you could write the lines right here, just like that, just like this, and then write them more here. Okay, there we go. Got it right here. Now you could glue it right here, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So glue it right here. Now put this in here, and then make sure it's like a little bit more downer for like one line here. So just get it like right there. Then what you have to do is like turn it, like bend it like a candy cane. right here, then glue it right there. So then you have to just hold it until it's dry. So get back to when it's dry. Alright, now it's already dry, and then I already cut it right there. So this is what it looks like, the ZR arm. Now what you gotta do is if you don't cardboard like this, but it's a little bit more soft, but a little more softer. And if you don't have a little bit more softer, then you can make it longer. So let's make this a little bit smaller. Just like that. And then you color it yellow. And you also have to write the lines there too, but if you messed up, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and then put some glue right there. But if it's too big, you could color it a little more, but I'm gonna cut it a little more. And the can just, and you see what just happened right here, it just came off from the glue. So what you could do is you could put it back on and then glue it back in. So I'm gonna wait for a few more seconds. Alright, there we go. And now let's glue it right there. Then glue this thing in here. Then just bend it and then make it like that, and then you cut it and then glue it back in. But I'm gonna add the grabber first. So let's get to the grabber part. Alright, so what you need to do is just cut this part right here, then make one line, one right in there, and then you make this right here, and you cut it there, then there. This is what it looks like here. And what you have to do is you have to color it yellow in one black rectangle. So color yellow here. Alright, so I just made a yellow. Now put the black rectangle, which goes like right here. So there you go, right there. Now you gotta put it right here. And then you have to put like a thing like this in the back there to put it through, to bring it up and down. So work on that part. You don't have to color it, but if you want to, you could color it. But for me, I don't have to. But right here, got it there, and then have to put hot glue there. Just 2 drops. Then put it there. Make sure it's like in the middle, right here. Make sure it's in the middle. Right here. And then look right here. Then you put it in through. See right here, put it through right there. Then put it there. Then cut it and then glue it in. There we go, just glued it in. So here it is, right there. And then gotta redo the lines because it's like covering it, the yellow. So I'm gonna redo the lines. So if you already added it, the grabber, you could put the lines there. So what you do is you have to then move the grabber up a little bit and then turn it around and put the lines here. Go. Then put more lines there. So then there we go. Now I just added the parts here. Then the grabber goes up right there. Now gotta work. I gotta put on the grabber, the thing that closes. And then you cut it right there, like one smaller part there, and then bend it so that way it could open and close. Then color the other part. So, and then cut here. Parts. It goes just like that. Then you turn it here. And then these two parts here, you make them black. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Make them black right there. And then also you write the lines here too. Right, like right here, like that. And then on the other side, you also put these black parts. Here we go. Now I need to glue. Now I need to glue this part here. Like this thing here, it goes right there. And if it covers the black part there, you can repaint it, recolor it. You know. Now the other part, this thing here. So make it yellow on both sides of that thing. There we go. Then, so it's already yellow. I gotta make it black. Make parts of it black, just like that. Then, like that. Then, hold on. Alright, sorry about that. Then, go work on there. Then, so do that, and then you measure it right here. Then, when you make it the right size, once you get it to the right size, you bend it, just like that. Then you cut it right there. Then there you go. And then you glue it right there. And then the part right there on top. And now it will open and close like this. And if it breaks, you could re-glue it. So what you do is just put it like that and then bring it up. And if it breaks like that again, you can re-glue it. So hold on. Alright, I just re-added it. Now the last part is the belt. So what you need is soft paper like this, super soft. Then you color it black. Then you make the other side black. Then you make the other side black. This part you also make it black. So I already cut it. Now I'm gonna there you go. Now you glue it right here and then put it, then you glue the part right there. You bring it all the way up and then get one part of it, like the box. Then you hot glue, then you glue it right there. Then cut it. Then you put it right there. And there we go. That's the candy cane. So yep, I just finished the candy cane there. Now I'll show you the next part. Just give me 1 second. Alright, so I just put like 2 of the same things and then this part that comes out. And then gotta cut it to the same size. There you go. Now, then I glue it there. Then I got one last part. So, last part, the part to stop it from coming out. Alright, let's finish it. I finished the candy cane right there. So that's how I make the candy canes on the garbage trucks. So, alright guys.